I still remember the way you said it. Like it didn't weigh 100 pounds of your tongue. I love you. Like it was a reflex, like blinking or lying. And maybe that's the part that wrecks me the most. Not that you left, but that I believed you meant it. I've been replaying that night like a scratch CD, skipping on every word you didn't say. And I guess songs was your loudest answer. You said I was the worst, but did you really mean it? You said this wouldn't fucking hurt. Now my heart's slowly beating. I met your mom, but she told me all the sweet things you said in secret. But when I asked you, you said you didn't really mean it. I'm stuck in your driveway, playing all our favorite songs. Replaying every word you threw, the way you ended on a loop. Your playlist plays in static speakers, running through what we had. Still in my fucked up sneakers that threw my life off track. You swear that song was ours, now I doubt it ever was. When I scream at the moon, she never answers back. Your name still burns in the spine of my old tracks. And when your mother asks how I've been, all I can say it wasn't that. Driving in a loop, cause I'm feeling sad, waiting for something that will never come back. Your mom waves through the blinds like she don't know what you did. I smile like I'm not just a kid, still breaking over what we almost were. Still aching, still unsure. Cause you said you didn't mean it, but I did. Every word.